Welcome to Wall TV. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell button below to get updates on our latest uploads. A logo plays a very vital role in the life of any business. It serves as the face of your business and gives the overall ambience or character to your business. Here are a couple of things you have to consider when creating a logo. Number 1 is the shape. Circles, ovals, and ellipses give people a message of positivity and warmth. It is usually associated with community, friendship, love, relationships, and unity. Circles are often seen as more welcoming as compared to angular shapes. Also, curves are commonly viewed as feminine. Squares and rectangles are associated with stability and balance. Straight lines and right angles are associated with reliability and trust. It is also viewed as related to strength, professionalism, and efficiency. Triangles are associated with power, religion, science, and the law. This is the reason why you will find this shape in many logos of companies that offer products generally to male clients. Number 2 is the color. Blue. Blue has a calming effect on viewers. Color blue signifies confidence and success. It also expresses positive emotions and none of the negative ones. One of the most successful companies that has blue as its main logo color is no other than Facebook. Other global companies that have blue as their prominent logo color are Pepsi, Samsung, Intel, and HP. Black. Black exudes characters such as strength, authority, sophistication, and elegance, and sometimes even death, evil, and aggression. Using black as a prominent color in your logo gives it a sense of mystery, power, and authority. Adidas and Nike use black in their logos. Gray. Color gray goes well with other colors. It is a neutral shade associated with being formal, conservative, and sophisticated. It also exudes authority. Apple uses this color for its logo. Green. As the color of nature, green is associated for things that are earthy and healthy. It draws out emotions related to renewal, safety, freshness, and life. Starbucks uses this color for its logo. Brown. Brown is a warm color that gives another earthy feeling, perhaps because it is the color of wood and ground. Brown also gives its viewers a sense of trust, reliability, and unity. It is relaxing and shows responsibility and seriousness. Hershey's and M&M's use this color in their logos. Yellow. Color yellow exudes happy emotions. It is also the color of sunrise and is associated with warmth, enjoyment, and festivities. One interesting thing about this color is that the human eye sees yellow quickly than other colors. So it is good to get the attention of people. Be careful in using it though, because improper use of this color may result to people getting distracted. McDonald's, Nikon, and Best Buy use this color in their logos. Red. Red is associated with strong emotions like aggressiveness, energy, love, and passion. Apparently, this color also enhances human metabolism, raises blood pressure, boosts appetite, and increases respiration rate. You can also use this color to get people's attention. That is why the subscribe, click here, and buy now buttons are usually color red. Some of the big companies that use this color for their logos are Jollibee, Netflix, CNN, and Coca-Cola. The third one is meaning. Hidden meanings add fun and excitement to your logo, especially when clients decode these hidden meanings. Let us look at these examples of logos we commonly see around and their hidden meanings. Number 1. FedEx. This is the logo of FedEx you usually see. But you will never see it the same way again once you already see the arrow in the middle of the last 2 letters. Cool stuff, huh? Number 2 is the Hershey's Kisses. If you rotate the image, you will see clearly the image of the product in between the first 2 letters of the word Kisses. Number 3, Pinterest. We normally see the letter P in the middle of the red circle in the logo of Pinterest, but this P also doubles as a pin. Number 4. Goodwill Industries International. I don't know if you noticed, but the smiling half-faced image on top is also the first letter you will see below. Amazing, huh? Number 5. La Tour de France. Very difficult to pronounce. Anyway, its logo looks so attractive with its use of the colors black and yellow. But did you notice the hidden shape of a cyclist? Well, now you see it. Number 6. Toblerone. I don't know if you noticed, but if you look closely, you will see the image of a bear on the mountain. This is because Toblerone originated in Bern, Switzerland, and Bern's coat of arms, guess what? Has a bear in it. Number 7. Beats. At first glance, you will notice the letter B in the middle of the red circle, but if you will let your imagination work, you will see that this is also an image of a man wearing headphones. Number 8. NBC. Their logo is an image of a colorful peacock. Apparently, they wanted a brightly colored logo because the company that owned the network was also one of the first companies selling color television sets. Well played. And finally, we have Amazon. In their logo, you will first notice that beautiful smile. However, that arrow actually tells us that they have everything from A to Z. Now, upon knowing these attributes you can add to your logo, it is wise to list down all the core values you have in your company or business. Look into your mission vision statement and identify the type of culture you have in your business as well as the one you want to promote to your clients. Upon knowing these things, pick the right shape, color, and even meanings to include in the logo you are creating. Now let's look at numbers. Here is a research conducted by SmartSign, a company committed to making signs that ensure the protection, respect, and safety of others. SmartSign analyzed 2,000 logos of the fastest growing companies from the 2016's INC's 5,000 list of America's fastest growing companies to identify common characteristics that successful companies possess, as featured by digitalsynopsis.com. And here are the findings. When it comes to the design, 66% of the logos analyzed use both an icon and a word mark. 30% use only a word mark, and only 4% use only an icon. Here's a tip. If you're just starting, it wouldn't be wise to create a logo without the name of your business in it. That may work once your business is already known everywhere. But as you can see, it is still best to create a logo with both the icon and word mark in it. Now, in terms of shape, 64% of the logos are angular and sharp, while 36% are rounded and soft. We have already talked about this, and it seems that many of these companies want to display stability, strength, professionalism, and balance to their clients. When it comes to style, 94% are minimalist, while 6% are detailed. Well, having a minimalistic logo design is good as the loss of detail is prevented when scaling it. Let's now talk about the prominent colors on the logos. 26% of them use blue as their prominent color. 18% use black. 14% use dark gray. 10% use red. 9% use light gray. 7% use green. 6% use orange. 2% use yellow. 1% use brown, another 1% use pink, and another 1% use violet. And finally, still regarding colors, 21% use only a singular color for their logos, 47% use 2 colors, 21% use 3 colors, 7% use 4 colors, 2% use 5 colors, and 1% use 6 colors. If you found this video informative but you still do not know how to start creating your own logo, just click on this video link to learn how to create your own logo in less than 10 minutes for free. You will also see the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching.